To Succeed or Not to Succeed by Danny Dominguez. This is my presentation. I chose to do two companies based around shipping. So the succeeding company I chose was Amazon, which has a revenue of $386 billion, that's US, and a total equity of $93 billion in US dollars. The failing company was Hanjin Shipping, which filed for bankruptcy in September 2nd in 2016 and officially declared bankrupt on February 17th in 2017. Starting with Amazon, it was founded by Jeff Bezos in 1994 and started as an online marketplace only for books. Fast forward to today, where you can purchase almost anything you need with the click of a button. Some of its services include Amazon.com, Amazon Alexa, Amazon App Store, Amazon Music, Amazon Prime, and Amazon Prime Video. Its branding strategy definitely started by focusing on business to consumer, which then focused on business to business and eventually focused on consumer to consumer. Some of the deals that Amazon reached throughout its tenure is it purchased deals with USPS, which allows Sunday deliveries, purchased a deal with Apple, which allows it to sell some of its selected products, and it did have a deal with Nike, but that deal ended in 2019. Flipping the page to Hanjin Shipping, which is owned by the Hanjin Group, where the parent company is Korean Air. Its services include cargo transport and container terminal management. Hanjin Shipping transported many containers, 3.7 million a year to be exact, delivering a variety of resources and raw materials, as well as owning many shipping terminals. In February 2017, SM Line purchased 5 vessels, and in March purchased 2 terminals from the company after it went bankrupt. Hanjin collapsed due to lackluster demand and overcapacity of ships, and it hoped for a government bailout, figuring they were too big to fail, but to no avail. Amazon continues to do well because of the exact word described in Hanjin's downfall, which is demand. All the products and services provided by Amazon are still of high demand, while the opposite happened to Hanjin. If I were a public relations manager for Hanjin, once seeing the downtrend my company was facing, I would have looked into ways of reversing that trend, whether it be meeting with different businesses or perhaps branching out away from only cargo boats, perhaps switching my gear to planes or some form which would have kept the company afloat, no pun intended. As far as if any regulation should take place, with Hanjin being bankrupt, I guess that wouldn't necessarily be the case. But with Amazon, who has been criticized for practices including technological service overreach, tax avoidance, and anti-competitive behavior, which is unlawfully preventing competition in a market, perhaps more regulation can be done, to prevent Amazon from monopolizing the competition. While Amazon is obviously a very successful company, more regulations do need to take place in order for other companies to succeed. So I do feel that can be done. I do not necessarily know how that can take place, but Amazon, I'm sure, will find a way to continue to succeed with or without regulations.